This is a fully automatic reel and tray vacuum packaging production line designed for high-precision electronic manufacturing industries. The flexible tray retrieval mechanism is compatible with various specifications of reels and trays, automatically picking up and loading materials onto the trays. Large capacity support bar feeding chamber. Automatically wraps the support strap for secure fixation without detachment. The traceability codes on scanned incoming materials, reels, and trays interact in real time with MES system data. The online label printer executes the printing instructions from MES. Automatically tag the reel. Automatic feeding mechanism for the dryer. Humidity indicator card automatic feeding mechanism. Real-time monitoring of the operating status of drying machines and humidity indicator cards. Packaging bag material extraction mechanism designed to prevent overlapping of materials. The entire product line comes standard with a Zebra online label printer. The packaging bag has automatic labeling. The number and position of labels can be customized. The bionic bagging structure is stable and reliable. Vacuum standard, 90 kilopascals. The sealed container remains leak-proof for extended storage. The bag packaging is complete. The material discharge port structure has been flexibly adapted to accommodate subsequent manufacturing processes. The bag has been reshaped for easier packaging. The external box automatic folding molding machine is compatible with various specifications. The reels are packed sequentially, with an isolation board placed between each reel. Adaptive automatic box sealing machine. External box label printed online using MES system. You can customize the number and location of labels on the outer box. Supports various sealing processes. We specialize in the design and delivery of automation projects.